Meditation has become increasingly popular in recent years as a way to relax and distress. This video explains the benefits, some different styles of meditation, and how to get started. What is meditation? Ask someone what meditation is, and you will get as many answers as there are many different types of meditations. However, most people would likely agree that meditation is a practice that helps them feel more grounded and centered in themselves. The term meditation means to engage in mental exercise, such as concentration on one's breathing or repetition of a mantra, for the purpose of reaching a heightened level of spiritual awareness. Benefits of meditation for men. There are many types of meditation, so it is useful for people of all ages and religions. Here are some potential benefits of meditation for men. 1. Improved focus and concentration. There are many reasons why someone might want to improve their focus and concentration. Maybe they are a student who wants to get better grades, or an employee who wants to be more productive at work. No matter what the reason, there are some simple steps that can be taken to improve focus and concentration. One way to improve focus is by practicing meditation or mindfulness. This involves focusing on your breath and clearing your mind of all distractions. Meditation can help you learn how to control your thoughts and stay focused on the task at hand. 2. Reduced anxiety and stress levels. Anxiety and stress are two of the most common mental health conditions in the United States. Both conditions can cause a person to feel overwhelmed, panicked, and out of control. While there are many treatments available for anxiety and stress, such as medication and therapy, some people may find that those treatments are not enough. For those people, meditation may be a good option. 3. Better sleep quality. It is no secret that sleep deprivation can have negative impacts on one's health, mood, and cognitive function. In recent years, meditation has been shown to improve sleep quality and duration. One study published in the journal Cognitive Behavior Therapy found that participants who meditated for just 20 minutes per day reported an increase in total sleep time of nearly an hour and a half. Additionally, they scored higher on measures of sleep quality and satisfaction with their sleep. 4. Increased sense of well-being and calmness. Mindfulness meditation is an effective way to reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. It can also improve symptoms of chronic pain and psoriasis. Mindfulness meditation is a form of mindfulness, which is a state of being present in the moment. When you are mindful, you focus on the here and now without judgment. This type of concentration can help you become more aware of your thoughts and feelings, which can lead to a greater sense of well-being. 5. Meditation may lower blood pressure. A new study suggests that meditation may also help lower blood pressure. The study, published in the journal Hypertension, looked at the effects of two types of meditation on blood pressure in people with high blood pressure. The first type of meditation was focused on concentration, while the second type was based on mindfulness. The researchers found that both types of meditation resulted in a significant decrease in blood pressure. In addition, the reduction in blood pressure was associated with a decrease in anxiety and stress levels. 6. May regulate hormones. A different study of men practicing transcendental meditation showed positively altered hormones, including testosterone, cortisol, thyroid-stimulating hormone, and growth hormone. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you next time.